vegetarian, healthy, easy, simple, vegan. Today we're going to make this really easy vegetable soup. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So we have here 2 cans, regular sized cans of tomatoes. They were a whole plum tomato. I just sort of crushed them up. Onion, 1 cup of onion, 1 tablespoon of garlic, and there's 3 teaspoons of oregano there. And then the vegetables that you want to use is up to you. I've roughly got about a cup each. I'm going with potato, some white beans, green beans, carrots, zucchini, and some peppers. Of course, like I say, you can use anything else that you like. Let's get started. Okay, so you're going to need a pot or a pan or something like that. In there I've got 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm using an olive oil. The heat's on, just put it on now, above medium. We're going to drop in 1 cup of onion, and then I'm going to start to get my hardest vegetables in. So in my case it's the green beans, the carrots, and my potatoes. I'm now going to add in that 1 tablespoon of garlic chopped. We're going to go with salt. We're going to go with black pepper. And we're going to go just for 3 or 4 minutes. Just a few minutes to give them a head start. Next up, we're going to go in with our beans. I'm using these white beans. Use chickpeas, use kidney beans, up to you. In goes the peppers, in goes the zucchini, and in goes the dried oregano. About another 3 minutes on this fairly vibrant heat. I'll be stirring it pretty much all of the time. Fabulous. Now if you wanted, you could drop a handful of rice in there, a handful of noodles or pasta, something like that. No problem, it'll kind of bulk it out a little bit. We're now going to add in those 2 cans of tomatoes. And to that I'm going to add a pint of vegetable stock. If you want, you could just use water. Really simply, let's get the heat down a little bit. Now let that go for about 7 or 8 minutes. And that is beautiful. You've done it. Really fabulous. Now look, I've got here some parsley, flat leaf parsley that I'm going to run through. Delicious. Check that for seasoning, your salt and pepper levels. But that is a really simple, beautiful, wholesome, easy vegetable soup. And there you go, super, super delicious, really easy. I hope you enjoy that. Keep safe and keep well, everyone. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Well done for making it to the end of the video. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all of you that follow the channel on a regular basis. You know who you are. There's loads of you. I'm cooking away like non-stop. As you can see, I've got some lovely food right in front of me here. We're just about to start our cookbook. We're doing our cookbook at the moment, which is going to take a long time to come out. I know a lot of you have been asking for it, but yeah, it's going to take a while, lots to do. But yeah, cooking away. Chef June is working really hard on the channel as well, doing his Filipino food in Tagalog. Rahel's got her own channel now doing the Ethiopian food, which is marvelous. It is in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia, but check it out because she really, really is fantastic. I'm doing good. I hope you're doing great. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. I do actually try and get back to everyone who leaves a comment for me. Subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. There's social media knocking about, Instagram and Facebook and all that stuff if you want to check it out. But that's it. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love.